Hey guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add Gmail Label Widget in your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is press and hold on screen in your itel S15 mobile phone to see the widget below. Okay, click widget. And okay guys, here in widget, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by scrolling down on screen or up to find the widget you want to add to your home screen. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Gmail Label Widget. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the Gmail Label Widget and automatically show the folder of your Gmail. Okay guys, if you have a multiple Gmail account, you can select the email or Gmail before select the folder. And okay guys, so I select the social folder. And okay guys, you can change the name of this folder. So I decide not change the name of this folder. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the done button. And okay guys, that's it. Your Gmail Label Widget is added to your home screen of your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you change the position of your Gmail Label Widget, you all have to do is press and hold the Gmail Label Widget, okay? And slide on screen to change the position. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.